nandito tayo sa tip of the north, Santa Ana, and thank you so much sa Posorobo Beach Club who really accommodated us and did good improvements since the last Partakan.
This is our 7th year and nag-level up na po tayo. I still remember the time when 2014 when we started Partakan Festival. Wala talaga tayong facilities dito.
I'd like to welcome you, all riders and guests from all corners of Luzon, to celebrate the spirit of mototourism in the Philippines in grand style.
On behalf of Lambretta Philippines,
In behalf of Kawasaki Motors Philippines,
In behalf of Team Suzuki,
In behalf of Yamaha po.
in behalf of Honda Philippines po.
Come with me. I'm feeling good.
Ropali po ay 49 years na sa business this year. So next year, 50th, but the Honda brand, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki has been there with us all along. Maraming salamat po.
We are your partner since the start of Partakan Festival, since nawala din dito during the pandemic. And ngayon, we are happy na ibinalik ng Ropali yung Partakan Festival to promote motorcycle community in our country.
magpasalamat sa Ropali, Lambretta at sa Honda Philippines para sa isang napakagandang mototourism event na to. So dahil dito, na-explore namin yung ganda ng Norte.
Hindi ka nila ipipressure para tapusin ka agad yung event. Meron silang binigay sa'yo na 2 days para ma-explore mo talaga yung Norte.
Ginawa ko talaga siyang Holy Week kasi mahaba-haba yung ride natin. Ano? Yung ride na tipong swabe lang, hindi tayo nagkakarera. Talagang 3 days na ride maganda para at least hindi mapuntahan lahat ng mga tourist destination. So yun talaga yung purpose nun.
Pwede po tayong mag-test ride sa ating booth. Meron po tayong mga pinamimigay na freebies.
Napakalaki nung ating venue ngayon at napakaganda ng weather. Unang-una sa lahat, we have a lot to thank for.
Alam natin, it's Friday, it's Good Friday. Partakan 2024 want to give you something to do.
Like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green.
This is Partakan 2024 Burnout Challenge.
Of you, I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate.
We are doing this also for everyone, for tourism. So we're trying to promote Cagayan as a tourist destination, particularly Santa Ana, but at the same time mototourism. Kaya natin ginagawa to para makapagbiyahe rin ng mga motorista natin all the way from wherever in the Philippines.
I'm hearing
Isabela, representing the 01 Moto Club. Representing Taguig. Naniniwala sa kasabihan, ang tunay na gwapo, walang abs.
Kasama sa buhay natin, syempre, yung pag-i-enjoy, yung nakakalakad tayo, nakakabike tayo, nakakakita tayo ng magagandang sceneries. I hope for the last 2 days, you're able to see and feel the breeze from the beaches, the white sand, the green mountains, and very lush trails dito sa Poso Robo na talaga namang napakaganda.
Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. You make me wanna celebrate.
Pampanga, Lepong Mall, bumiyahe hanggang dito sa Partakan Festival 2024, and you will bring home 10,000 pesos. The group category, 50,000 pesos in cash.
Okay, for the winner of the 75,000 grand prize for Partakan, congratulations to Denver Managit.
Came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. You make me wanna celebrate.
Kawasaki, Reda Goodlife Road. Suzuki, oras na para magmotor. Juliana, let's go!